Guys, this game is about growing, so you can jump much more higher and get more wins and get more upgrades to get more height every second. So this game is actually pretty cool. I admit it, it's actually pretty cool. My jumps are pretty high now. I can almost get to that 2 million. Please get it. Run. Get up there, please. Let me jump to here and okay. 1 minute per second, yes. I need the 2 million there. Whoa. I got that 2 million in a second. I really need that 2 million. 10 million wins, guys. Let's go! Can I jump through here? No? Let's go, guys. I got the 2 million. 2 million wins. Wow. 41 million per second. Oh my god. I'm so big. I'm about to reach 1 billion, guys. 1 billion height. Yeah. Oh man. Let's go. This guy is pushing me. Let's go. Almost 100 million per second. Why is it showing strength when it's high? Let me go through here and there and let's go. Oh, there. I'ma be first person for this because some reason. Bruh, shouldn't that be 50k, not 1 million? I think it's just a mistake by the developers, but no! Oh man. Yo, 5 billion. Yay! Let's go, guys. Let's go to here. Sorry, guys. Jump. Let's go. Please get up there, please. Let's go. Yo, 1 million per second. Size comparison. Okay. Wow, I'm pretty big. This game is actually pretty new, I think. So let's go. Please get up there. I'll get up there soon. Let's go. Jump, jump, jump. Thank you, jump. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump. Yo, I almost got up there. Yo, I can. Yes! Yes! Oh my god! Yay! Huh? Let's go! I got it. 200 million per second. I'll take it. Yo. Did Bo left or just? Oh no, he didn't left. Bruh. Okay. Can I get up through here? Yup. Here. Yup. Here. Yup. 20 million. 20 million. We need that. Bruh! He pushed me. I'm gonna get some rebirths. I'm trying to get to 1 billion per second. Let's go. Thank you guys. How 200 billion just to get? Yeah, I'm gonna save up for that so I can quickly finish the challenge. Let's go. Yay! Let's go, guys. Thank you. Yo, wait. Shout out to this guy. He's helping all of us. Shout out to you, bro. Thank you for helping us. Bro's literally on the trillions. Wait, I can walk through some of them. Wee! Players just helping me. Bruh, how do I keep falling through? Do I save up or... Oh yeah, I can get the 60 million. So I can finish the challenge. And I'll be making a part 2 of trying to reach 100 billion soon. Hi guys. Let's go. And I'm not gonna be playing this offline. I'm not going to play this off cam. I'm just gonna play this on cam, so you guys won't be saying that I cheated. So hope you'll have a great day and have a great life. Bye bye.